Hey guys, what's up and welcome to a brand new video, and this one's going to be special because I've bought a Sur-Ron electric bike. Now if you've not heard of them, they're pretty much one of the most famous electric bikes. They're really good off-road electric dirt bikes. They're super quick. Do you know the acceleration on them? It's like nothing else. Honestly, it's like, it rides completely different to any of your other bikes. And yeah, they're a great laugh. So yeah, in this video I'm going to be giving it a good little test. I'm going to take it to some jumps and stuff. But before that, I want to show you how much this actually scares my little brother. So have a look at this.
Nice and steady, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice and steady.
Slow, like this
Nice
speed.
and steady.
Hey, stop! Ah! Like, hey, stop,
I'm
Joel.
not even going fast. Relax.
Stop!
Relax. I promise you're safe. I promise you're safe. Okay?
Just don't go faster.
Okay. See, it's fine. You're safe. You just gotta get used to it.
Get me off now.
You hate it, don't you? Do you actually hate it?
It's alright, my...
So yeah, you can see how it is a little bit scary. And yeah, I am a bit nasty, I know, but you need to be brave, you need to learn one day, don't you, so you can ride bikes with me. But yeah, enough talking, let's get to riding.
So yeah, we'll be going down some little trails. You guys have actually seen these jumps before, so it should be completely different on this electric bike though. It slid, it slid. Oh, I got a mad wheel spin coming out of there. You gotta watch out for the torque on this thing. It's ridiculous. We'll have to be careful on these little tracks. Oh, got hit by a tree there. We'll have to watch out for those. So much fun to just drag this thing about. And because it's so light, it handles really well. I'll chuck some gloves on just because why not? Sometimes people moan when I don't ride with gloves for some reason. They're on. They might not stay on, we'll see. This bike's like a perfect speed for these trails. I've also got some new front brakes, so this bike's stopping extra short, which is what we need. I am going to be meeting some guys for these jumps. They want to have a little test on the bike. And some guys I know quite well, so it's all good. Let's watch this dog. Hello, doggo. Where's your owner? Hello. It just seems like he's on his own, that dog. Okay. Get the speed up. You guys probably can't see the speed up in the light like this. It's only nearly in the dark where you can see it easily. Just slow down for these little kids. You've got to be careful. Let's smash through these rails now. It's just mad how quick you can get through these and then accelerate off. Oh, it's good. I love it. At the top end of this bike is that impressive. I feel about like 50 mile an hour-ish, but the thing that's impressive is just the acceleration. Like on twisty technical trails, I don't think you can really beat this bike. You see these keeping up with 250 bikes. I bet it even keep up with my Honda CRF on really technical trails. On lights? Yeah, okay, that way again. Oh no! Oh, maybe we're turning opposite way. That would have been funny to try and race the moped. I think this thing would have won, you know. Time to get back onto the trails. I like staying on these trails, you know, just keeping out of the way a little bit. Minding my own business. As long as I'm away from roads as much as possible, I shouldn't be into any trouble. This thing's actually got a really loud horn as well, but I didn't want to scare dogs. Listen to this. I find that quite funny. I like to get across this road quite quick. This is kind of the suspicious kind of road. Don't want to be on here. So we're straight up here, then we'll blast. Oh, not going to blast too much, missing my turns. Okay, it looks a little bit muddier than I wanted it to be down here, so I'm going to have to be careful. It's going to be flicking mud everywhere if not. With the torque on this bike, the back wheel just likes to spin a lot of the time, so I've got kind of careful with it. I've not really like dragged this bike fully on bumps and stuff like these. Let's see. Went over them fine, to be fair. Maybe it'll be alright. Also, I hope the angles are okay. I don't really know until I get home. So this video is either going to be really good or really bad. So fine, let's go. Just so I just does it like it's nothing, as always. Okay, coming back towards the road here. Jump straight across. We're just going to quickly zoom into the woods. Curb. Kind of a little bit of wheel spin there, just by revving it while it was going up curb. It's even classed as revving because I don't have an engine. Right, into here. What was safe once we're in here. All good. We're still on 91% battery, so we're doing well. A little bit more technical trail riding now for this bike. A bit of single track, gotta love it. Gotta watch out for these though, because there's a lot of these in these woods. You can just go around here though. A little bit slippy on the tree roots though. Gonna have to be careful. Right, we're through, let's go. So you've got to watch out for them. They come out of nowhere, these. They're quite tight as well. It's mad how short my front brake is compared to my back. Alright, I'm gonna have to carry it around a little bit. There we go. Nice and steady. These have definitely got tighter. Right, we're moving again. It's all good. Not too far away from the jumps now. We literally got there in no time. I waited till my friends actually texted me saying they were at the jumps before I went because they're usually late. So they're at the jumps now, just chilling. And I'm on my way, nearly there. Right. No one really seems to like look at me funny on this, which is great. Because you know, on the motorbikes, everyone looks at me funny. No one likes them at all. But on these, no one even cares, it's great. Because that's all I want. I just want something where I can have fun like this and not bother anyone. We have people getting mad at me. Because obviously I'm respectful, I'm careful going past people. So something like this was perfect for me. Obviously it does come at a premium price, but it's well worth the money. If I can get away with doing the stuff I do, I don't annoy anyone, no one annoys me. And you know, just happy doing what I do. You know what's funny? I can actually bunny off this thing if I try really hard. I've got a proper like bounce up and down on suspension. I don't know if I can do it like at speed. I don't think I dare do it at speed. I can only just get it in air. I think this thing would handle quite well, do you know, on like rough terrain. I just got to watch out for the pedals catching, you know, like maybe in ruts and things like that. But you know, just on bumpy terrain, going up single track, it's actually decent from what I've seen so far. My friend's going to be proper hyped on this bike. He loves stuff like this. He's been waiting for it for ages, so it'll make his day, definitely. It is a weekend, so I am expecting a few people to be in here, so I'm just going to watch out on corners and stuff, and you know, just generally keep aware, make sure I'm not going to go too fast near anyone. We could just put it in like normal mode instead of sport mode and cruise with this, I think. I usually always have it in sport mode, but I think normal mode just has slightly less torque, and obviously a slightly lower top speed, but it saves quite a bit of battery apparently. And for this stuff, I don't think you always need sport. Or maybe you do, that's your fault. It's not bad for just cruising, but you know me, I like my sport mode, so sport it is. Used to the jumps a little bit. Oh, there we go, we jumped it. Yes, lads. How's it going? Right, let's get some jumps to go. I'm actually a little bit nervous just yet. I don't want to damage this thing. It does jump, to be fair. Just jump, but I've got to get used to it. It's got a decent jump in. Got to remember not to go too quick. Get a little jump in. This is really good actually. I'm actually getting some wheel spin on jumps. I'm slowly getting more confident, which is probably a bad thing. Oh my god. Oh my god, I feel like I'm on a motocross track with this thing. It's perfect for this. Took my bag off now, let's see if I can do any better on the jump. Definitely notice the difference with that bag on. I just need to get used to it a little bit, because this is slippy gravel, so I don't want to get overconfident. I will get some third person clips as well, and me jumping. Oh my god. It's terrifying when you jump and you're not on balance when you jump and you start to like drift off in mid-air. Oh! I went a bit faster on that. What CC is this? 125. Nice one.
That's Sur-Ron, yeah.
Yeah. You having a blast round? A little bit. Sorry if my camera's in the way, guys. Racing dirt bikes. Oh, I think they're going now anyway. Would have been fun to get them in front of me rather than behind me. But you know, they just couldn't keep up on the Sur-Ron. Okay guys, since dirt bikers have just been on that track, I feel like someone may call cops. So I'm just going to cruise into the woods and chill out of the way. Because obviously they're really noisy and stuff, and this is just the opposite of that. So if we stay in here, then we should be all good. But I think there is actually quite a big jump in here somewhere. I've just got to find it. I've definitely been there before. Police are there. Okay, we're moving spots now up onto this little field. How nice it is to have an e-bike. Go on then, get a little go. Watch him break it.
That's sick.
He likes it. Are you guys ready for a fat flyby clip? Let's do it.
I am so scared. He's gonna hit me.
Right guys, I'm going to get off now and leave my friends. I'm just going to get a fat flyby up way back though. That was sick. Onto the trail. Right, I just need to find a little trail going down now. Found one. Let's go. With the region on it, it can slow you down quite well on like little hills like that. I think we can go right here and get away from this little, yeah, there we go. It's a bit deep mud there though. I've got to watch out more flicking mud up with this than other things, just because of the torque. Yeah, hopefully we'll just be having a gentle cruise back now. And then, all good. Well, I said gentle, we'll see about that. That acceleration's down. That's why it is better on technical stuff. Just because you don't, like, this isn't a bike made for bombing, it's just for technical trails. I hate these. Don't fall down. We're good, we're good. Proper enduro style riding. There we go, we're through. I feel like with this bike, you just need a bit of confidence and you'll be a much better rider if you're just a bit more confident with it. If you let it scare you, then you're going to be jerky, you'll be all over the place. If you're just confident, you'll be a lot more smooth. This is sick. At least it's not too woody today, so we can bip it a little bit. Can't believe how long the battery lasts as well. The battery's doing really well. It turns so much better than your normal pit bike. Right, we'll just slow through the wet bit, as always. There's more water here than usual. Right, straight up the hill. Quite a lot of people around those jumps, so I didn't really want to stay there too long. Yeah, overall, it's been a fun day. Now I think it's time for a little more road riding. Hopefully we'll get past the roads kind of quick. I really don't like riding the roads. I only do it because I've got to. I'm getting quicker at getting through these now. Straight across, straight through, and then off we go. Don't mess about on roads. Yeah, it's been a good class. I hope you guys are enjoying the Sur-Ron videos. If you are, keep liking the videos, keep commenting, all that good stuff, and then it keeps them coming. Oh, the trails. Gotta love the trails. Well, watch out for bikers and people. Especially watch out for dogs. If there is anyone watching this that's local to Sheffield with Sur-Ron, let's come and ride. Right, this is where I started the video, so this is where I'll end it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to leave a like, remember to subscribe if you're new. And yeah, I'll see you all at the next one.